Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Prism Infotech Hassan. Now let us understand formation of numbers from 1 to 100 in English. Formation of numbers from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Formation of numbers from 11 to 20 in English. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Formation of numbers from 21 to 30 in English. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Formation of numbers from 31 to 40 in English. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Formation of numbers from 41 to 50 in English. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Formation of numbers from 51 to 60 in English. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Formation of numbers from 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Formation of numbers from 71 to 80 in English. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Formation of numbers from 81 to 90 in English. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Formation of numbers from 91 to 100 in English. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Formation of numbers 10, 20, 30 and etc. in English. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Thank you. Thanks for being with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if not yet subscribed. If possible, share with your friends and relatives. Thank you. Thank you once again.